Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best electric radiator fan kit is probably one of the most overlooked upgrades for your vehicle's cooling system, but it can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving deep into the world of electric radiator fan kits, exploring what they are, how they work, and why you might need one. We'll cover everything from performance benefits to installation tips, helping you make an informed decision and keep your engine running cool under pressure. Number 5. Electric Radiator Cooling Fan and Thermostat Relay Kit. This 16-inch electric cooling fan is designed to keep your engine running smoothly. It features a powerful 120-watt motor, ensuring efficient cooling performance. This fan is a reliable solution for maintaining optimal engine temperature. The fan boasts a curved blade design and a high CFM rating of 1000, providing excellent airflow. With an RPM of 2250 and a low amp draw of 6.6 amps, it delivers efficient cooling. The plastic shroud and steel motor ensure durability. The included thermostat kit is universally compatible, making it suitable for any automotive vehicle. It's the perfect addition to your electric fan setup. This kit ensures your fan activates at the right temperature. The kit includes a 3/8 NPT thread-in brass probe with a 1/2 NPT adapter. It fits various applications, including radiators, oil coolers, and transmission coolers. This allows for flexible installation options. The thermostat activates the electric fans at a preset temperature. It turns on at 180 degrees Fahrenheit and off at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe typically threads into the radiator, water outlet, or manifold, providing accurate temperature monitoring. What we like. This kit offers a universal fit, making it easy to install on almost any vehicle. It also boasts a powerful motor to keep your engine cool. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable cooling solution for your car, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a complete kit that works good and has everything you need to install. Install is super easy and all the wiring is there, preset coolant temp switch and relay as well as a circuit breaker, not an inline fuse, but a circuit breaker. This kit has the better made wiring, relay, circuit breaker, temperature switch and fan itself along with the hardware, plus it's not a noisy fan, which is a plus. Number 4. BLACKHORSE-RACING 16 Electric Radiator Fan Kit. This universal electric radiator fan features reversible blades. It's designed to keep your engine cool and is suitable for various applications. The fan is easy to install and provides efficient cooling performance. The fan includes a thermostat with a turn-on temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit and a turn-off temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures the engine maintains an optimal operating temperature. It helps to prevent overheating and prolongs the engine's life. It has a high-torque motor with sealed ball bearings and balanced blades. This design ensures low noise and smooth operation. The motor is powerful and reliable, providing consistent cooling. The 120-watt motor delivers a CFM rating of 3000 and an RPM rating of 2050. This fan is designed to keep your engine cool. The blade and wiring can be reversed to make the fan an air pusher. This fan is universal and can be used for radiators, oil coolers, transmission coolers, and condensers. It is a versatile cooling solution for various vehicles and applications. It is a great choice for improving your vehicle's cooling system. What we like. This fan stands out with its high CFM rating, ensuring maximum cooling efficiency. The reversible blades give you flexibility in installation. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile cooling solution, this fan is ideal for you. What people say. The fan is very quiet, I could not really hear it running. It can be used as a push or pull fan. Perfect for my S15, maybe a little overkill on cooling but stays under 200 degrees no problem at all, only took about 20 minutes to install and an extra 15 for wiring everything in. Overall saved my pickup from overheating all the time. It has been several months now, and this thing just works. After setting in heavy traffic on a hot day, with the AC on, we did notice overheating. As soon as we shut the AC off, the temp immediately dropped. This is a great cooling fan kit, especially at this price point. Number 3. 18 Performance 16 Electric Radiator Cooling Fan. This electric radiator cooling fan from 18 Performance is designed for optimal performance. It's a great choice for any vehicle, ensuring efficient cooling. The fan features a reversible design with wide S-curved blades. This allows it to be used as either a push or pull fan, providing flexibility for your specific needs. This fan is designed for universal fit, making it compatible with most vehicles. Please note that some modifications may be needed for your specific application, so ensure you have enough space for installation. With a 12-volt system and 3000 CFM, this fan delivers strong cooling performance. The heavy-duty thermostat activates at 200 degrees and turns off at 180 degrees. The fan includes a high-torque motor with sealed ball bearings and fully balanced blades. This design ensures low noise levels and long-lasting, smooth operation. The 18 Performance fan comes with detailed instructions and a mounting kit. This makes the installation process straightforward and hassle-free. What we like. This fan features wide S-curved blades for optimal airflow and comes with a heavy-duty thermostat. Installation is also made easy with the included mounting kit and detailed instructions. If you need a cooling fan that's easy to install and provides strong cooling performance, you should consider this. What people say. Bolted right up and works just as good if not better than the old one, which actually was nothing wrong with it and ended up being the relay, but these things move some air, keeps my temp down 180 sitting in traffic in a hot summer Florida day, and reliable. The kit has everything you need to run. Works as it should. Flows enough air to cool a 3-liter diesel comfortably. Say goodbye to parasitic viscous clutch fans. Number 2. A-Team 16 Electric Cooling Fan with Thermostat Kit. This 16-inch radiator cooling fan features a reversible design. It has wide curved blades for efficient airflow, ensuring it can be used in various applications. Operating at 12 volts, this fan delivers 3000 CFM. It includes a heavy-duty thermostat that activates at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and deactivates at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping things cool. This radiator fan provides dependable cooling for your system. It is perfect for maintaining optimal temperatures in automotive and industrial applications. Equipped with sealed ball bearings and balanced blades, this fan ensures low noise. It is built for long-lasting, smooth operation, providing dependable performance. The kit includes a complete mounting kit and detailed instructions. This makes installation easy, ensuring optimal performance for your cooling system. What we like. This fan features a reversible design, allowing for flexible installation options. It also offers high-performance cooling with a heavy-duty thermostat. If you need a reliable and efficient cooling solution for your vehicle, this fan is a great choice. What people say. This fan is quiet and moves a lot of air. Added AC and the fan works great. It keeps my truck cool, and I also noticed my AC air stays cold. Number 1. A-Team 16 Radiator Electric Cooling Fan Kit. This universal 16-inch radiator cooling fan features 8 reversible S-blades. This gives you the flexibility to use it for either push or pull configurations. It's a handy assembly kit for all your automotive cooling needs. This is a top-tier, high-performing 16-inch electric radiator fan. It operates at 14 amps and 120 watts, with an impressive 3000 CFM. It is designed to keep your engine cool. Built with a sealed ball bearing and fully balanced blades, this 16-inch cooling fan offers low noise and a long life. It's a heavy-duty automotive fan designed for optimal performance. With an overall diameter of 16.80 inches and a thickness of 3.26 inches, it fits in most vehicles. Its compact size doesn't compromise its 3000 CFM electric fan power. The package includes the A-Team Performance 16-inch heavy-duty electric radiator cooling fan assembly kit. This 3000 CFM radiator fan is the perfect addition to any aluminum radiator with an electric fan setup. What we like. This fan features reversible S-blades, offering flexibility in your cooling setup. It also has a high CFM capacity and a heavy-duty motor. If you are looking for a cooling fan perfect for turbo applications, this is the one for you. What people say. The fan kit was easy to install. The fan kit works great and keeps the engine cool. The fan kit is a great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.